Hi, I am Mark with AB&R. So you think you might be ready for a real-time location system or RTLS solution like Zebra MotionWorks, but you're not sure where to start? Here are some factors to consider when thinking about implementing RTLS. What range of products do you want to track and locate? This will impact the equipment and the type of setup that is used for your specific use case. What is the replacement costs of the items you're tracking? This matters because RTLS systems are large and can be complex. So you want to make sure that the investment that you're making has a profitable return on investment or ROI. The items you want to track in one centralized area or in a warehouse or manufacturing plant, or are they moving around through the country or even globally? How accurate do you want to know the location of these items? Are you looking to know the general area within a few feet or within a few inches? Also, do you want to think about how often you want the location updated, such as daily, hourly, every minute, or maybe track it when the item moves? Keep in mind that this will determine the battery life of the RTLS tags as they require power to function. You want to consider your existing infrastructure, such as power, availability, and Wi-Fi or cellular connectivity to determine the most efficient way to connect the hardware. Considering these factors will be a big step forward towards implementing RTLS for your business. Our team at AB&R will be happy to work with you on your RTLS implementation, so please give us a call. We are the RFID experts, so you don't have to be.